How to start an online printing business with WordPress. In 2026, WordPress is one of the most popular and widely used CMS systems in the world. WordPress accounts for approximately 40% of all websites globally. First, you need to learn about WordPress through the WordPress.org website. To run WordPress, you need hosting or a server that meets the installation requirements. Requirements include PHP version, MySQL version, and MariaDB version. You can check out some hosting providers recommended by WordPress. Recommended hosting providers include Pressable, Bluehost, and Hostinger. You also can use DigitalOcean VPS and EasyEngine 4. Additionally, if you prioritize high security, you can learn more about DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean's prices are also quite reasonable and not too expensive. For a dedicated server, I recommend installing the EasyEngine script. You can easily learn about installation with the documentation on easyengine.io. With POD site, you need a design online tool. For a print-on-demand business, your site must be able to design products online according to customer requests. You'll have a wide variety of products such as collage, phone cases, photo frames, pillows, sneakers, t-shirts, badges, business cards, caps, etc. Let's test designing an iPhone case with features like photos and text, designed directly according to customer requirements. Customers can change colors, text, etc. You can set an additional fee for customers to design the product before printing, based on the number of elements they add. As you can see in our online design example, you can change the color or any attribute of the product. In short, customers can make changes to get the product design they want. Next, let's try designing a pillow. Similarly, you can change the color and design if you want. The additional fee can be calculated based on the printed side. For example, the front is free and the back costs $10. So where can you buy this design tool and a complete website package so you can easily have your own data? You can purchase theme and plugins from Haru Theme. Come to Haru Theme at harutheme.com. We have many printing-related themes to meet your needs. For each theme, please view the demo preview to choose the right one. Many themes for different printing purposes are available at very affordable prices and do not require high monthly fees. You need to read document and example demos. The documentation for these themes is very detailed, making it easy for you to install and manage your website. Our online product design management tool uses WC Designer Pro. We have also added many new features to this tool. You can easily import sample products. We use WooCommerce and you need understand it. Our online product design tool is compatible with the WooCommerce plugin. This is the most popular and widely used e-commerce plugin worldwide. You can easily manage your products with WooCommerce. For easier creation of online design products, please check out our YouTube channel, Haru Theme. Go to Haru Theme YouTube channel for tutorial. Many detailed videos on creating online design products such as phone cases, pillows, t-shirts, etc. are available. Online design is a particularly important tool in the printing industry. Calculating additional fees when customers redesign products to their liking is also crucial. Calculating fees based on the printed surface area or the number of elements in the design will help you easily manage your business. Customers will easily decide whether they want to place an order or not, increasing conversion rates. Check order and take your money. Finally, your job is to manage orders and make your money. Thank you for watching the video.